Stop paying for premium courses when you can learn everything for free and get certified too. Because Microsoft is giving this enormous opportunity to everyone completely free of cost and most people still don't know about it. So before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. We are talking about the Microsoft Learn program where you can learn different concepts, different aspects related to AI, Azure, Copilot, fundamentals of AI, cloud and different things completely free of cost. So how to access this? In the description box, I have attached the link. From there, whatever your product you want to learn, whatever role you are aspiring, from here you can click on filter. Okay. So for example, you want to learn about DevOps engineer. When you click on it, you'll find all the modules related to DevOps. If you want to learn more about network engineering or security engineering, from here you can just select security engineer. You'll find all these modules. Similarly, we have different kinds of products also, different kinds of roles also, and different kinds of subject. For example, you want to learn about application development. So you will select the application development option and here you'll find all the modules related to it. Now inside the module and learning path, what is it? Let me just show you. When you open it, there will be some courses, okay, which will contain some textual material, video material, some fun quizzes. So like this, the catalog will open. Now from here you can see, when you click on start over here you can see all these modules are there. Okay, you can read it, click on next, and at last of the module you can see module assessment is there. So here what you have to do, here you have to simply answer it. Okay, here you have to simply read the question and submit the answer. If your questions are correct and you have crossed the pass mark, then you'll be able to get the certificate over here. Okay, so like this you have to watch the video, solve the questions, and then you'll be getting the certificate, and then you can just share the so like this you have to open all the course, and at last when you click on complete module, you'll see a certification badge over here, right? You have completed. Then you'll be getting the certification badge which you can share on your social handles, LinkedIn, etc., and you'll be able to just enjoy your journey. Second most important thing, from here you can see different parts are there. For example, you want to learn about AI, you can click on it. I'll share all the links in the description. So from here you can see, here we have all the details regarding AI, catalogs are there. If you want to get certified, you can click on browse credentials. You can see different kinds of certification exams are there. But here you need some free certification. Okay, means you don't have to pay a single rupees. So for that you have to click on applied skills. It's free of cost opportunity by Microsoft. Now here you can just open any of these modules. For example, you want to learn about build an AI agent in Copilot Studio. So here they have provided the learning path also. The process remains same. You have to open the learning path, watch the modules and complete it. And at last you can just click on this start assessment, and then you have to just perform some of the tasks. All instructions will be provided to you. You have to watch it and then you have to simply complete it. So like this you are able to access all these courses completely free of cost. Let me just open it again and let me just show you. So whatever is your role, whatever courses you want, you can just select from here. It's completely free of cost. Don't pay a single rupees. It's directly from Microsoft end, and you'll be learning a lot of things over here. So this was a quick thing I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.